Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, and today's topic is common factors and multiples. We have already discussed in our earlier classes what are factors and what are multiples. So today we will be discussing what is common factors and common multiples. So let us begin. So first of all, let us discuss what is common factors. Now say we are given a question that find out the factors of 4 and 18. We all know how to find out the factors. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. And the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So these are the factors of the numbers 4 and 18. So what is this term called? Common factor now. Now you can see here what are the numbers that are common among these factors of 4 and 18. You can see 1 is common, 2 is common. Anything else is common? No. Only these two numbers are common. So we can say the numbers 1 and 2 are the factors that are present in both 4 and 18. Clear? So what are these called? These are called the common factors. So whichever factors, say we are given 2 numbers, or we can even say 3 numbers or 4 numbers, whatever numbers we are given, the factors which are present in both, or you can say the factors which are present in all those numbers which are given to us, we can say they are the common factors. Clear? Now next, say we are told to find out the factors of 4 and 9. So the factors of 4 we know, we already got 1, 2 and 4. And the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now here you might be thinking there is nothing common. Yes, there is a number that is common in both, that is 1. So you might be thinking only there is one common factor, that is 1. Yes, obviously there is only one common factor, that is 1. 1 is the only factor that is common in both the numbers 4 and 9. So it has a specific name. So what is that name? It is called co-prime numbers. Which are the co-prime numbers? Two numbers are called co-prime numbers when they have only 1 as their common factor. So when the common factor is only 1, the number 1, then they are called co-prime, you can say co-prime numbers. So obviously now you might be thinking, are all the numbers co-prime? Yes, obviously all the numbers will have a common factor, that is 1. At least 1 will be the common factor between any two numbers or any numbers. There is a common factor, that is 1. So we can say they are all co-prime. Even if we consider here 4 and 18, can we say they are co-prime? No. The earlier perception or the earlier thinking that you had, that if there is 1 as the common factor, we will have the co-prime numbers. No. If there are other factors other than 1 also, then they are not co-prime. Only when there is only one common factor and the rest are not common, only then, in that case, they are co-primes. Clear? This might be creating some confusion, but don't be confused. According to the definition, only if there is only one common factor and that common factor is nothing but 1 and the rest are not common, only then in that case you can say the two numbers are co-prime numbers. Clear? So moving on, now common multiples. So this is also similar like common factors. We have to find the multiples, and we all know multiples, according to properties of multiples, the multiples of a number are infinite. We cannot say it is finite or limited. It is infinite. So multiples, if you are told to find the multiples of two numbers, say in this case 4 and 6, there may be a lot of numbers which are common. So whenever you will be given the question, it will be specifically mentioned that find the 5 common multiples of these numbers, or find out the 10 common multiples or 2 common multiples. So it will be mentioned how many common multiples are required to be found, because we all know multiples are infinite. We cannot say this much are the common things and the rest is not common. No, there may be many numbers which are, or many multiples which are common in both these cases. So here also you can see the numbers 12 are common, 24 is common, 36 is common. So these are the common multiples, and there is a dot 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 symbol because there may be more common multiples. So not only in the case of 2 numbers, it can be in the case of 3 numbers as well, 3, 5 and 6. Here also you can see there are a lot of multiples, but among these multiples only the numbers 30 and 60 till now, and there is rest, there are more numbers which are the multiples of 3, 5 and 6. So you have to check which are the multiples that are common in all the cases. Only then we can say they are the common multiples. There are some cases you can see here. Say for example, this 45 is present here. 45 is also present in the case of here, you can see in the multiples of 3. But we cannot say that 45 is a common multiple because it is not present in the case of 6. So you have to check first that it is present in all of those numbers. The multiples are present. Only then we can say it is a common multiple. So I hope this much is clear to you. So please, you can go through your textbooks. There are a lot of examples. You can try it out. Then you can understand it much better. So that's it then. I hope you all have understood this common factors and common multiples. So thank you and have a nice day.